Hi guys, welcome back to my tiny little space. Welcome back. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and join the family. Today we are going to learn how to style our headband wig. First, we put it on the head and make sure you're as comfortable as you can. And then we are going to start with the head with the style number one. Okay, that is style number one. It's as simple as that. Okay.
They said, don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun.
Number two, we are going to use we are using a head wrap because we do not have a wig band, because I do not have one at the moment, but if you have, you can use that as well. Please make sure you always use a wide comb when you are trying to detangle your wig, okay? And make sure before you have your wig on, please please use a spray, because it's going to be so much easier when you use a comb to detangle it. Okay, so that is style number three. This is style number five. I think I lost count, but I'm sure it's style number five. You just tie it at the back and voila, there you are. It's just as simple as that. trying to put all my hair in the middle to make a messy bun. Yeah, just watch it and maybe you can correct me where you think I went wrong, but that is it. At first I tried and I thought maybe you can tie a ribbon at the top and let it be all messy, and then the second one it is going to be a messy bun.
Here to sasa ndo inabamba mama,
here to sasa ndo inabamba daddy.
the way you make me feel. What a love, what a love, what
Let
a
me
love.
tell you why I love you this much.
Let me tell you why you are my treasure.
Let me tell you why I love you so much.
Let me tell you why I'll keep you forever.
Unamiliki moyo wangu my honey, nikiwa nawe mimi na amani.
And it's you that I prayed for. Unakaa exactly like what I saw in my dream. La 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 la. Nikila la 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 la. Butter 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 butterfly, yeah yeah yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You're my forever. Nimekupenda. You're my forever. Nimekupenda.
I'm homeboy, the same God who turned water into wine. Akafanya mambo yake and then later turned you
Last
into
but
mine.
not least, we are going to tie our hair.
I'm falling killer
It didn't turn
time.
out the
Check
way
and
I
consider
wanted,
wanaume
but you
ako.
try as well. See how it goes.
Complimenting me daily, napenda vile unanipenda baby. Bongo unanichanganya ubongo, ndio tucheze dance zile za Kikongo, na nikichoka nitapanda kwa mgongo, unipigie stori zako za uongo baby. The way you make me feel, make me feel, make me feel.
Here to sasa ndo inabamba mama,
Yetu sasa ndo inabamba daddy.
the way you make me feel. What a love, what a love, what a love.
You're my forever.
Didn't mean to fall in love, mean to fall in love, baby.
Nimekupenda. You're my forever.
Fall in love, fall in love, fall in love.
Nimekupenda.
Butter, 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 butterfly.